Hi guys, how's it going? Welcome to my channel. So, as you know, I have several cars here, and today it's about my Shelby GT350. I bought this vehicle new in 2017, and it is mostly all stock. So the Shelby was parked all winter long here in my garage, and I just put it on those rollers here. By the way, I have a video on them as well. I purchased them when I purchased the car. I think it was a year later, and that was really a good buy. So what I do is I either put it on all four and I push it all the way over, or I put it only on all two if I pull in from the front, and then I push the back of the car over, and then I navigate out into my other garage and then out the door. So the Shelby has been sitting all winter long. Let's let it down and then let's see if it starts, and do a very first short lap around the block with it. So how about that? Before I do that, I will check the oil. I will do that off camera. It's not that interesting. And then let's go. Okay, and here we go. So this could backfire because I did charge the battery during the winter, but the battery is pretty old. It came with the car, and the battery might not be super strong and lost its charge again. So we'll try it. Hopefully we'll get this thing started. Okay, we're in the car. Here we go. Look at that. Ford Performance, and there's the snake. All right. Uh-oh. Did you hear that, guys? The battery did not start. Okay, we're not giving up. I'll put the charger on and we'll try it again, okay? So I'll be right back. All right, I didn't charge long, but I'm brave. I'll try it again. It probably won't work, but let's just try it. Let's see what it does. Nope, does not work. There we go, that's better. Exhaust open, there we go. Windows down. Change engine oil soon, and I know that. So everything is pretty cold right now. I checked the oil pressure, the oil. I put air in the tires. So we're ready. Let's get it out. Just have to be careful to move it out here. Couldn't wait to get that car out again, you know. It's so much fun to drive it. The only thing it is, you can't really film with a camera and manually shift the gears. That sucks. And being spoiled with all the other cars that keep in their own lane, this car has nothing. So it's a whole new learning curve. Well, not really, you know, but you know what I mean. It's a difference. But, you know, as great as electric cars are, there's nothing more fun than to have the sound, and just the sound and the feel of an good old V8 vehicle. I want to say sports car or something, but you know, a truck can give you that feel too if you're into trucks. It's just the sound that helps to have fun while driving. Electric cars have a lot of fun too, but in a different way, you know. They're fun because they're so quick. You know, they go just in a couple seconds there from 0 to 60, just amazing. But the shifting gears, the sound, the smells, that's what makes this car exciting. And I'm driving like a grandpa right now because the car has been sitting in the garage all winter long, so I don't think it would be smart to floor it right away. Also, as you saw, the battery struggled, and it really did struggle. I had to charge it overnight. We're actually the next day now, and this battery here is from 2017 when I bought the vehicle new. Maybe the battery was even built in 16, so it's a pretty old battery, and I'll just give the car a new battery. I'll go buy a new one tomorrow, and maybe I'll make a video about it if I feel like it. I've been a little bit busy lately. So yeah, this is the Shelby. It's back on the road. Just a short video here this time. I didn't mount the camera outside on the vehicle. Just didn't feel like it. I've been pretty busy, so I just left it at this. But for sure, lots of fun to drive. And yes, I have plenty of videos about this car. Feel free to watch them, so you'll learn more about it. And there will be plenty more videos coming out soon, guys. It's almost time for an oil change, and usually I make a yearly video about the oil change and service, about the costs, and if something was wrong with the car. So wait for that one. And please do me a favor, if you own a Shelby GT350 or GT350R, please leave a comment. Tell me about yours. Tell me what you like about it, what you don't like about it. I'd love to talk and maybe get to know you. So also subscribe to my channel. It is free. It does not cost a dime. So subscribe if you haven't done that. And please don't let my other cars scare you away if you only like the Shelby. And if you like the other cars and hate the Shelby, then stay on my channel too. And hang on there till the next video. Have a wonderful day. See you soon.